At number 5, we introduce the MIRACO Plus, an all-in-one 3D scanner with photogrammetric metrology and extreme accuracy. Quad-depth cameras adapt from near to far, capture tiny screws or large machinery, and switch modes mid-scan. Infrared zoom at 1.5x and 2x reduces noise and smooths surfaces. 48 Manap RGB with flash delivers lifelike color. Photogrammetric kit with carbon fiber scale bars and coated targets ensures precise measurements on complex projects. Choose single shot for ultra-precise point clouds or continuous scanning up to 20 FPS with the 2K flip screen. 8-core 2.4 GHz CPU, 32 GB RAM, and 256 GB storage power smooth capture, up to 10,000 frames. Transfer via Wi-Fi 6 or USB-C to Windows or Mac OS. Exporting PLY, OBJ, STL, ASC, 3MF, GLTF, and FBX. At 750 grams, it's built for one-handed mobility, with up to 2 hours scanning and Class 1 IR for safe face scans.
At number 4, we introduce the Einstar VEGA, an advanced all-in-one handheld 3D scanner with total freedom, power, and mobility. No computer required. Built-in computing. 8-core 2.4 GHz CPU, 32 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD. Scan, save, and share anytime, anywhere, with internal storage and wireless portability. Dual scanning modes. Fast mode 270, 1500 mm up to 20 FPS for medium-large. HD mode 100-350 mm up to 15 FPS for small-medium. Outdoor-ready infrared resists sunlight, eye-safe for scanning people, dark surfaces, and dark hair, even under bright sunshine. Complete wireless workflow. Handheld scanning without a PC, power bank support, shining 3D cloud transfer with 5G by free, and wireless screencasting. Powerful software. 12mm marker SART hybrid alignment, scan rewind, base plane detection, coordinate adjustment, measurement, plus one-click scanning, 6.4, 2K AMOLED, and 48 MELUP RGB texture camera.
At number 3, we introduce the Creality CR Scan Raptor 3D scanner and show the product image highlighting the key features of the product hybrid blue laser and NIR. 7 parallel lines as thin as 0.1 mm deliver up to 2 mm accuracy. Glass calibration keeps precision over time. Scan tiny 5x5x5 interior items to 2 minor parts, figurines, bolts, faces, full bodies, and automotive components. One handheld device adapts to every scale. Dual color texture LEDs, up to 60 FPS blue light and 20 FPS NIR. One-shot imaging stabilizes handheld passes and minimizes tracking loss. 24-bit color capture via RGB camera and exclusive mapping. Markerless NIR for feature-rich surfaces. Creality scan on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android. Engineers, designers, and 3D artists. Get metrology-grade results fast. Now 38% off. Scan smarter with CR Scan Raptor.
At number 2, we introduce the Einstar 3D scanner. Powerful, user-friendly. Here's the product image highlighting its key features. 3 IR VC cells, 2 stereo depth cameras, and 1 RGB camera deliver precise, stable capture. Plus, simple single USB for power and data. Einstar delivers dense point clouds at up to 0.1 nm and high-fidelity color scans. Capture detailed, accurate, realistic models fast. X-Star intelligently enhances detail, auto-aligns, and guides with a data quality indicator for smoother, smarter scanning. Fast and smooth at up to 14 FPS. Invisible light is comfortable and eye-safe. Hair mode secures complete hair data. Stable outdoor scanning. Clear results even in bright sunlight. Capture small to large objects with confidence. Scan dark or glossy surfaces with excellent tracking stability and clean, smooth workflow. Clean workflow and multi-format outputs. OBJ, STL, PLI, ASC, 3MF, P3. Compatible with most 3D printers and design software. Perfect for 3D printing, product design, digital archiving, education, cultural preservation, and VR/AR applications.
At number 1, we introduce the CR Scan Raptor Pro and show the product image metrology level precision. 0.0 millimeter resolution, volumetric accuracy, 0.0 millimeter plus 0.0 millimeter per meter. Multi-mode system, 22 blue laser lines plus 7 NIR structured light for speed and accuracy. Real-time point cloud builds at up to 60 FPS, capturing 660,000 points per second. Directly scan dark glossy metal and automotive glass up to 71% transmittance. No sprays. Adaptable range from tiny 5mm pieces to massive 4-meter components with consistent accuracy. Outdoor ready performance. Stable scans under 50,000, 100,000 lux, even in bright sunlight. Go wireless with the CR Scan Bridge. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS.